Yes, this is about all the new topic, grade 5, subject mathematics, chapter 1, session 4. Let us revise. What is there in that? Let us revise. Who is that writing here? Syed Anas. Syed Anas. I will remove from the class, remember, if it is again like that. Right? Let us see. Here we can see that a bangle and a nose ring. Which one is open figure and which is a closed figure? It is very clear. So bangle open and close. What is meant by open and close? Open, see, from here to it is not in close. If it is close, then if there is no gap in between, but the ending point and starting point should combine together. That is closed figure. If it is not closed, it is not connected again, that is closed, open figure. So can you say which one is an open figure? If I ask, your answer is bangle. I know that. Why? Because it is closed. It is closed, but it is not closed. See? Yes. It is closed figure and it is unclosed figure. Unclosed figure. Yeah. Then after cubical box. What is a cubical box? A square has a perimeter, that is its boundary and an area, the surface occupied by the square. So let us discuss about this is cubical box and cheppesi antam manam. So let us see why he has given the spherical box. We will go for the carom. Put out the base of the object. Tell me the area occupied by the object on what surface and perimeter of the object it is boundary. So here what I am trying to say, what is our concept is perimeter. What is perimeter? Let us discuss about it today. What is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the total distance around the figure and the length of all boundary, all line segments. Now see, here I am giving one figure. This is one rectangle, or we call it as a square. Okay. This is A and B and C and D. Okay. Yes. AB is 5 centimeters. BC is 5 centimeters. And CD also 5 centimeters. And DE also 5 centimeters. If I want one person, he start from here, then right. One person is start from the point and he go on around the figure from A to B. That means he completed 5 cent. He covered 5 centimeters. From again B to C, and he again altogether how many centimeters he covered? 10 centimeters. From A to B 5 and B to C 5 centimeters. And again he goes on C to D. Now he completed 15 centimeters distance. And again he came back to the starting point. Together how much distance he covered? If I ask, your answer will be 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Together we get 20 centimeters. This is called perimeter. What is the perimeter? The distance around the figure is called perimeter, or the sum of lengths of the sides of a closed figure. The sum of the lengths of the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. So finally, the short note of perimeter is length of all sides, the sum of length of all sides. Sum and addition. The total length of the closed figure is called perimeter. I will ask you at the end of the session. Please note down if it is possible in our notebooks. The total length of the closed figure is called perimeter, or else you can write the sum of the lengths of the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay. Then we go for that. Next, how to find the perimeter of a closed figure on a grid paper. How to find that? So do you have an idea about what is a grid paper? Grid paper is nothing but a graph paper. So okay, let us go. How to find the perimeter? Perimeter, you know, the perimeter is the length of all sides, the total of all sides of the closed figure. That is called perimeter. Yeah. How to find the perimeter of closed figure on grid paper? So each side of the small squares used in the grid above represents 1 centimeter. You see? So this is one square. This is a here it is a one square. Okay, this is one square. This squares unte, that is called a grid. How to find the perimeter of the grid paper? So from this is 1 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter together. DC is 2 centimeters. And CB in between, how many boxes are here? 2 boxes. Each box 1 centimeter. AB 2 centimeters. AD 2 centimeters. I think you can easily to say now the perimeter of the given one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters. Yeah, you just say that. You just add all the sides. Each side, how many squares are there? 1 unit. Each square is a 1 unit. How many units are there? Altogether 8 units. So we should say that is yes. Next. They will go now. Observe the below diagram and find its perimeter. So let us see. Observe the below diagram and find its perimeter. You know the perimeter, what it is. How to find the perimeter? You just given the name also. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Oh my God. It is a closed figure and also it is polygon. Closed figure and also polygon. Why? Because it is formed by line segments, you know. It is formed by line segments and also it is closed. So you can find the perimeter of closed figures. You can find the perimeter for the closed figures. Okay, right? How to find the perimeter of this closed figure? You just start from A and B. How much distance? That is from A to B, 17 centimeters. Okay. From B to C, 21 centimeters. From C to D, 9 centimeters. From D to E, 12 centimeters. From E to F, 8 centimeters. From F to A, yeah, see how many line segments are here? I will tell you. Okay. First one, AB plus BC. So AB, okay. Next BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Okay. So you just add all these lines, the length of all these line segments, you just get perimeter of the given closed figure. Okay. So while adding the units, unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. Very good. What are the length given as given? AB how much? Now AB is 17 centimeters plus BC is 21 centimeters plus CD 9 centimeters and next CD after DE from here to here 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus EF. EF is 8 centimeters plus FA, that is 9 centimeters, right? We just add all of them to say the perimeter. Okay. Yeah, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 19, 27, 27, 36. 4, 6, 7. Altogether 76. What is the units? While adding the units, unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. What is the unit of length as given in the in the question is centimeters. Chudandi, manaki ekkada chudu centimeters e unnai. 9 centimeters, 21 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters. So the units of perimeter also the same units. They are centimeters. This is the way of finding the perimeter of closed figures. Okay, this. Yeah, next. We'll go for the next. Yeah. Now we will learn how to find the missing length of one of the sides of a closed figure with the example given below. So if any side is missing, how to find it? If any side miss, see here, one side is missing. Have you seen this? Yes, here it is a missing. One side. So now how to find that side? So total perimeter has given. మొత్తం perimeter ఇచ్చేసారు ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేయాలనేది మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. How to find the missing length when the perimeter is given. So perimeter ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక లెంత్ మిస్ అయితే then ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం. So the perimeter is 13 centimeters and BC, okay, BC and CD, DE and DEA, and AB is not given, so we have to find it. To find the length of the AB, we just add the given side line segments. We need to find AB such that the perimeter is AB plus, you just add all the line segments of the given figure, AB plus BC, AB, next BC, next CD, next DE, next EA. Yeah, which gives perimeter, yes. AB you don't know that, plus you just add that BC plus CD 6 plus DE1 7 and EA1 8 centimeters. So AB plus 8 centimeters, that is equals to 13 centimeters. Why? Because the total length of the perimeter of the, total length of all sides is equals to 30 centimeters is given. No, already 30 centimeters అని చెప్పేసాడు మనకి. సో కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు, AB plus 8 is equals to 13 centimeters అయితే, but AB ఎంత? You just to get AB, you just subtract 8 from 13. That gives AB. AB is equals to 5 centimeters. చూసారు కదా, ఇలా మనం ఏదన్నా లెంత్ మిస్ పెరిమీటర్ మొత్తం, if you gives perimeter, if any missing length is asking, then you can find by using this way, right? And we'll go now. Okay. Now we will find the area. Abo indaka nunchi area antunnam. But my studies did not say about the area. So perimeter and area. Area is nothing but occupied space. What is that, Nana? Area is nothing but occupied space. Occupied space. Perimeter is distance around the figure. Now I will give a small example to give the differentiate between them. See, perimeter, that gives from here distance. You see how far, go by this way and go by this way, go by this way and come back to the same place. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ఇలా తిరిగి ఇక్కడ దాకా ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే మనం కవర్ చేస్తామో దాన్ని పెరిమీటర్ అంటాం. పెరిమీటర్ ఈస్ డిస్టెన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ పెరిమీటర్? ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్టెన్స్. అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ఏరియా? Area is space. How much it is how much it is occupied? How much? Yes, this low inside a space, how much it is occupied? The space occupied by for closed figure, that is called area. Okay, yeah. How to find this area? Can you see how I am trying to? I think, okay, this is called area. Distance is different and area is different. Distance, that gives only the length, centimeters or meters or kilometers. But area is not like that. Length, breadth and breadth. Length and breadth. How to find the area? You just multiply length into breadth. How to find the area? Length into breadth. Then ela cheppochu ante L into B అని చెప్పి చూద్దాం. The area of the rectangle equals to length into B. What are the units we used? There are two formulas given, length of the rectangle and length of square. This is enough to learn these two formulas. What is the area of the rectangle? L into B, length into B. The units are square units. What are they? Square units. Side into side, area always to be used. So just now we have written the same units of the length for the perimeter units. But what about the area units? Area units are square units. ఎందుకు సార్ స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ అంటే చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ. See, length is equals to 3 centimeters and then breadth is equals to 2 centimeters, Nana. What is the area of rectangle? The formula is length into breadth, you know. So length is 3 centimeters into breadth 2 centimeters. So here I am going to multiply these two numbers. What actually given? 3 2s are 6. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. That is square centimeters. That is why I told you that the units of area are square units. Okay. Yes, I will ask you questions. I'm going to conclude it. We have only 5 minutes time to finish this. Yeah, right. And then you just write this. Otherwise, you can take the screen share. You just get it on screen share, Nana. I will give you some. Yeah. Find that some examples are given there. Find the perimeter of square with the length of each side is 8 centimeters. Find the perimeter of square with the length of each side 8 centimeter. Okay, this is one square. Find what is the length of each side? Length of square. Length of square. Each side kavali. Length of each side. Length of each side. How much? 8 centimeters. What is the perimeter? It is a square, you know, all sides are equal. So perimeter of square P equals to ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు నాన్న? S plus S plus S plus S, or we can say 4 into S. 4 into side. Side already మనకు తెలుసు కదా ఇక్కడ. What side is it? Is 8 centimeters. So 4 into 8 centimeters, that equals to 32 centimeters. So this is the way of finding. Next, the perimeter of square. Next, if the length and breadth is given, how to find the perimeter of rectangle? So to find the perimeter of rectangle, equals P equals, I told you, how many lengths are there in the perimeter? In a rectangle there are 2 lengths and 2 breadths kada. Length, breadth and breadth. So you just write 2 L's plus 2 B's. 2 L's and 2 B's. 1 second, I will get it. 2 L's and so anyway, all L's. How many L's? Perimeter P equals 7 plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter and breadth. ఇక్కడ అడిగింది ఏంటి నాన్న? ఏరియా కదా. ఏరియా ఫార్ములా మనకు తెలుసు కదమ్మా. What is the formula area? Area is equals to length into breadth. Just now you learnt. Length into breadth. Length is 7 centimeters. ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా. Breadth is equals to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. 7 8s 28. Centimeter into centimeter. Square centimeters. So this is all about finding the area. It is already there in the book. No problem. మన దగ్గర ఉంది. ఇదిగో చెక్ యువర్ రెస్పాన్సెస్. మనకి ఇలా లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఇచ్చేసి ఫైండ్ చేయమంటే ఫైండ్ ద పెరిమీటర్ నాన్న, మిస్సింగ్ నంబర్స్, ఫైండ్ ద మిస్సింగ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఫిగర్స్ విత్ ద అసెస్మెంట్ మీరు చేయండి. ఇది ఒక స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. మొత్తం దీని పెరిమీటర్ ఇచ్చేసాడు ఇక్కడ. ఇందులో ఒకటి మిస్ చేశాడు, అది ఎంతో చెప్పండి. మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసి దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయటమే కదా. యా. సో నెక్స్ట్ చెక్ యువర్ రెస్పాన్సెస్ వస్తాయి. లెట్ us ప్రాక్టీస్. సో ఆర్ యూ రెడీ టు బి అ టీచర్? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా టీచర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్న వాళ్ళు? ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టాపిక్ యూ లెర్న్ దట్ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ టు యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ utensils in our kitchen. So you observe square or rectangular shape utensils. Utensils అంటే తెలుసు కదా, మనం వాడుకునే వస్తువులు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మీరు ఒకసారి చూడండి. It didn't say anything, just a wait.